And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. It's 6:42 and we finally made it to the end of the work week. We are headed into the weekend. It looks like we're going to have a mainly dry start to the weekend with only a few isolated showers around, but the heat is going to be the big story over the next couple of days. Heat index values will be up to 105 degrees or even hotter than that for several days. But rain returns to the forecast Sunday going into Monday, all due to some increasing moisture from a tropical wave. But before we get to all that, let's enjoy this beautiful view outside. This is courtesy of Sky 5 in Weslaco. You see the hints of gold and pink and purple out there on the horizon. So yeah, sunrise officially at 6:49 this morning. Temperatures not too shabby, a little warm, but usually that's where we are this time of day. 77 degrees outside. Let's take a look at the visibility out there because we're dealing with some patchy fog in spots, but really it could be down under a mile or even a half mile or so, or down to a quarter mile like what we're seeing in Edinburg, Raymondville, and Harlingen. But the thing about it is it'll last for another hour or two before it begins to clear out. And it's only in spots. It's not widespread, dense fog, not enough to issue anything. We're not expecting any major delays out there on the roadways. But looking at the day planner forecast, we are calling for increasing sunshine as the day goes on. Just a few clouds around from time to time. A brief shower is possible. High temperatures today in the mid-90s or upper 90s. Looking at your high-resolution future track model, you could see that around 8 or 9 o'clock there could be a shower close to the coast, but then a lot of that activity will kind of be spotty as it moves inland with the sea breeze front. Not everybody will get the rain. Most of the valley will remain dry. Then overnight, clear skies, temperatures in the 70s. Not a bad night for your Friday night out and about. Early tomorrow morning between about 7 and up to 10, you could get a brief shower at the coast, but after that it looks like a beautiful day at the beach with all of the showers that eventually could pop up. I'm not talking about a whole bunch of widespread rain, but some showers could pop up and move into the upper valley, but it's just really not that favorable for a whole bunch of rain to form over the next couple of days. So when you look at the forecast, it goes from about 88 degrees tomorrow, 89 today, a morning shower, and then a 30% chance for rain there on Sunday. So if you had to pick, I would pick either today or tomorrow to go to the beach. Here's the reason why. We have increasing moisture associated with this tropical wave or upper level disturbance, however you want to look at it. But the thing about it is it'll get closer to the valley there on Sunday, and that will increase the moisture in the valley, and that will also provide for some pockets of heavy rain because it is tropical moisture. So just keep that in mind. Sunday going into Monday, showers and thunderstorms could be heavy at times. And it will be a little bit more scattered, I would call it, to widespread versus, just this isolated shower or two. It will fizzle out, and then we'll have just a few spotty showers left through the remainder of the work week. Now, looking at your tropics, here's a look at the Gulf and the Atlantic. Everything's pretty quiet, but we zoom over into the eastern North Pacific, and this is where Hurricane Fernanda is, and it's continuing to make its way west, 12 miles per hour, 100-mile-per-hour winds, but it looks like it could strengthen a little bit more. I'm going to move off the screen so you can see the Hawaiian Islands, and it is kind of going west to northwest, but the thing about it is it'll move into cooler water and it'll start to downgrade over into early next week. So here we go. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour today on the coast. UV index is going to be extreme, so don't forget the sunscreen. Later on tonight, 77 will be your low after we reach a high of 97 degrees. It's still going to feel like the triple digits tomorrow, too. By Sunday, we'll get a break from the heat a little bit. We dial back the heat to 95 for Sunday and Monday with showers and thunderstorms. Could be heavy at times. We'll taper off the rain chances Tuesday through Thursday, 20 down to 10% or so. High temperatures in the upper 90s. Your overnight lows will range between 76 and 78 for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.